Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a Highline model. It's a short wheelbase. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This Kombi has 8 seats and it also has no VAT to pay. This Kombi is a 69 plate and it's an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the Kombi. To the front, you'll notice smoked LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. It's also fitted with front fog lights. As you'll also notice, it's fitted with a full ABT body kit to the front of the vehicle. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Walking around the Kombi, you'll notice that this vehicle is fitted with alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. The wheels are 20-inch. Looking across the bottom of the Kombi, you'll notice mudflaps and black sidebars. Looking up, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. The mirrors are also heated and power folding. Stepping away from the vehicle, you will notice to the back of the transporter, it's fitted with privacy glass. You can open the twin sliding doors from the remote key, like so. Walking into the Kombi, you will notice it's fitted with 6 comfortable seats. It's also fitted with Isofix anchorage points for the correct child seats. Here we have the third row seats. As you can see, they're in superb condition. Moving back out, you will notice side opening windows on both sliding doors. To the back of the Kombi, you will notice it's fitted with a tailgate with a heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. It's also fitted with a top spoiler across the tailgate. It's also fitted with reverse parking sensors in the rear bumper. It also has a tow bar. The exhaust on this vehicle is made by Milltek. The rear tail lights are smoked and are LED. In the centre of the tailgate, you'll notice a black VW emblem and a black transporter badge. I've now opened the tailgate so you can see the luggage area. As you can see, it's in superb condition. If you'd like to add some extra room, you could take out the third row seat. You could also take out the second row seats to add more load space if needed. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Moving up to the back of the load area, you will notice upgraded Kenwood speakers. Moving across the roof, you will notice LED spotlights. Moving out to the tailgate, this tailgate is electric and here's the switch. This Kombi is painted in Indium Grey, which is a very popular colour in the van range. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both front doors come with some handy storage. Across the dash, you will notice a centre storage compartment. Moving to the seats, it's fitted with 8 comfortable seats in R full black quilted leather interior trim with red stitching. The 2 front seats come with armrest for added comfort on long journeys. Moving up, this is a very rare van. It's fitted with a slide and tilt sunroof. I've now finished my 360 walk around the Kombi. Next, I'd like to show you the controls in the cab, and also I'd like to show you the centre media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. This Kombi is also fitted with auto headlight system. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll see media controls. On this side of the steering wheel, you'll see cruise control. This particular Kombi has covered 11,601 miles. To the centre of the dash, you'll notice it's fitted with a 6.3 colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use. Just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also pull the screen across to find your ideal location. Moving away from the sat-nav, you'll notice that it's fitted with App Connect. This is ideal for using your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your phone, e.g. music or maps. This system is also fitted with DAB radio. As you'll also notice, it's fitted with the 3 major radio frequencies. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll notice that this Kombi has a reverse parking camera. It's also fitted with Park Pilot technology. This is for your front and rear parking sensors. Moving away from the centre screen, you'll notice that this Kombi is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's where you can change the temperature control. This Kombi is fitted with a 4-speed fan motor. Here's where you change the direction of the heat. Moving to this side of the control panel, you'll notice you can open and shut the electronic sliding doors. Here we have the DSG automatic gearbox. It's also fitted with heated front seats. They're easy to use, just repress the centre switches. This Kombi is also fitted with a heated front screen for cold winter mornings. Moving away from the dash, now I'd like to show the electric tilt and slide sunroof. This is a very rare option on the van range. As you can see, it's fully working. It's also got a blind. When it gets too hot, you can put it across. Now for a quick recap, this is a Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's a Highline model, it's a short wheelbase, it's fitted with a 150 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. It's also fitted with 8 seats. If you'd like any more information, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team would be very happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the Kombi, and thank you for watching.